Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can display or hide your previous act rank on Valorant. So if you want to display it, it will show up here, but basically you're going to go back and you're going to select career, or you're going to select the career button up here. Then you're going to select act rank, and if you want it to be displayed, you are going to select this show previous act rank on your player card. So if I go back to play and select competitive, as you can see, it will be displayed up here that my my previous act rank was diamond. And then if I want it to not show up on my queue and stuff like that, just go back to career, act rank, and untick it. And if I go back, it's not going to show up. It's just going to show your current rank. And that is basically it. Don't mind the career. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!